Oo. How to use this, mama? Ah! Adyaw. Ano nangyari? Hi guys, it's me again, Katina Arceo. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So kung hindi ka pa na-subscribe sa akin channel, mag-subscribe ka na. And of course, click the notification bell down below para lagi ka magiging updated sa mga bago kong videos. So for today's video, I'm going to DIY my hair using the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion Ultra Lights in the shade number 2. Ayan siya, guys. So, ang sabi dito is up to 4 times lighter, no bleaching required. It means na kahit hindi ka na mag-bleach ng hair mo, 4 times lighter na yung hair mo. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-effort na mag-bleach at masira yung hair mo. Kasi 4 times lighter siya. Parang ganito yung magiging result niya. Kasi sa hair ko ngayon, brown. Ang condition ng hair ko, light brown or dark brown ba yan? And ang nilalaman niya is the protective serum, developer cream, hair colorant, coloring cream ba yun or cream? Yung conditioning balm, which is ito yung gagamitin natin after tayo mag-color na hair. Ito before. And then yung comb. And then gloves. Ayan. And of course, nandito yung instructions niya kung paano mo gagawin yung hair color mo. So, gagawin ko muna is gagawin ko 4 sections yung hair ko. Itatay ko muna ito. Before that, I'm going to use this protective hair serum, and then I will be back. So, I'm gonna mix yung developer tsaka yung coloring cream dito sa bottle. Hindi siya matapang, guys. Mabango siya. Hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang hair color na matapang. Tolerant yung amoy. Tolerant naman. Then, seal na natin ulit. And then, let's shake. Parang milk lang yun, Shake. Ayan, feeling ko na shake well na siya. And then, after that, palitan natin yung takip. May pangkulay. Sakit sa ilong. Yan. O, diba? Ang easy. Easy to use. Di mo na kailangan gumamit ng brush. Ano? Nakatigib ka. And then, ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to start with the length. And then, I'll leave it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And then, after that, so roots naman for another apply for the roots. For 15 to 20 minutes again. Yes, Kei-chan. Why are you looking at me, Oo. How to use this, mama? Adyaw. Ano nangyari? Oh. Ayun siya. Ganyan pala. Squeeze mo. Oh, may lalabas dun. Like dust. Hi guys, so I'm back after 15 minutes. So pinano ko muna siya, develop ko for 15 minutes. And then right now, I'm going to color naman sa bandang roots. Sa roots naman ng hair ko. Para hindi na siya dark, o diba? Dun sa natirang hair colorant, and I hope meron pa. Meron pa naman siguro, no? Dancing with a stranger. So, ang gagawin ko, medyo mahirap to. Kasi roots. So guys, I'm finally done. So I'll leave this for another 15 minutes, and then after that, mag-rinse off na ako using yung conditioning balm, and then I will be back. Hi guys, I'm back again. So finally after 2 hours, I'm back again. Kumain pa ako and naligo, of course. And here's the hair result. As you can see, maybe hindi lang masyadong kita sa camera kasi medyo madilim. But personally, super unexpected ko yung magiging hair result niya. 4 times lighter nga siya, katulad ng sinabi. And ginamit ko yung conditioning balm. So, I'll try na ilapit and then ganun yung light. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan yung hair result. Nakikita niyo. O, diba? Para na akong sisiyo. Charot. Ayan na yung hair result. O. Yan. Grabe, ang ganda. Yan. And then, binabad ko siya for almost 1 hour. Dun sa sinabi na dapat 15 minutes or 20 minutes lang. Ginawa ko as 1 hour para ma-maximize ko talaga yung product. Kasi 399 pesos po ito. Again, the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion Ultralight is available on Lazada and on leading department stores near you. Yan. Ito siya. Oh my gosh. Feel na feel, you know. Again, guys, kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, please don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, guys. Again, this is Catherine Arceo. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you till my next one. Bye!